Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Price. So I'm gonna be doing a mukbang for you with my banku and fish. Alright, so there it is. I have my water. So I was just making this right now in the kitchen. I'm gonna put my bones in here. I was making this in the kitchen right now. I have a recipe. I'm gonna put it on my channel, so yeah, you can view it if you want to. So I'm not gonna talk as much trying to eat this food. I don't want to choke. So there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it now before it gets cold. I hope you guys can still see me. It is very, very spicy. That's the way I like it. The fish still has the bone in it, so you're gonna have to remove that and be careful. So you literally take the banku and then you dip it in the sauce. Oh Lord, it is hot. I love tomatoes. I love it. Cut the shit off. So hot. Oh dear. It's the tomatoes, the fish, that's gonna help fill me up really good. My battery's about to run out. Mm. Mm. This tomatoes is very sweet. I think they call it beef tomatoes. Tomato. Ah. Mm. I always leave the fish, a little bit of fish at the end for my last. Oh, I forgot to invite you guys. So, oh dear, sorry. Next time, it's too late now. Oh, I can't believe I forgot to ask you guys to join me. Yeah. There you go. All gone. Oh God, I'm so full of it. The tomatoes, the extra huge size tomatoes help fill me up. So what I do is that I always try to make my banku a bit smaller because it's the carbohydrate, right? And protein with all the tomatoes will, you know, just help fill you up. Instead of having a huge size banku and hey, too much talking. This is sorry, I have not finished. I need to finish with my hands, you know. Hey, so there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Let me eat my lemon.